And the king shall join thy strength, and in thy salvation, how greatly shall he rejoice. Woo. And Jah say it's life, so no more war and strife. That's the only way to stay above and take your feet from the mud. And Jah say it's life, so no more war and strife. It's time for truth and right. Keep on shining your light. I was born a thug, I would take my slug and shed your blood. But the most I had sent is love, and it's around my head like a dove. Now it makes me strong, I'm not nervous. As a black man I gotta find my true purpose. Pay respect to the elders, it's courteous, and to the little children be courteous. And just say it's life, so no more war and strife. That's the only way to stay above and take your feet from the mud. And just say it's life, so no more war and strife. It's time for truths and rights. Keep on shining your light. If doing good, there is no other way. The good you do leads you to another day. Oh please, read your Bible every day and listen what the rest of I really got to say. And say it's life, so no more war and strife. That's the only way to stay above and take your feet from the mud. And say it's life, so no more war and strife. It's time for truths and rights. Keep on shining your light. Some people know being stupid, just dying themselves. Guns, bombs, disease, drugs, destroying themselves. Seems they've got no joy. It's in themselves. I pray almost die every day for them to find themselves. Keep doing good, there is no other way. The good you do leads you to another day. Oh please, read your Bible every day and listen what the rest of I really got to say. And say it's life, so no more war and strife. That's the only way to stay above and take your feet from the mud. And say it's life, so no more war and strife. It's time for truths and rights. Keep on shining your light. And say it's life, so no more war and strife. That's the only way to stay above and take your feet from the mud. And say it's life, so no more war and strife. It's time for truths and rights. Keep on shining your light. Never let them get you down. Never let them wear you down. Never let them tear you down. Never let them get you down. Never let them take you down. Never let them get you down. Never let them take you down. Never let them swear you down. Never let them wear you down. Never let them bring you down. Never let them fling you down. So they will try their every do, just to them one forget to slew. I'm the man that make the man harm you. Fight against them that fight against you. Oh, oh. I see they try their very best to get in a corruption and stress. But from your cleaning and your water, from your bless, King Selassie, I will bless you every step. So me say again, never let them get you down. Never let them wear you down. Never let them tear you down. Never let them get you down. Never let them take you down. Never let them get you down. Never let them get you down. Never let them take you down. Never let them swear you down. Never let them wear you down. Never let them bring you down. Never let them fling you down. Well, they will do everything. They get in a corruption and sin. Them only one you lose and not to win. But cleaning out your heart, King Selassie grant everything, yeah. They will try their every try. Them send all them traitors and them spy. Bag of flattering lips, them telling lie. But the hypocrite, them selling some, them selling fire. Never let them get you down. Never let them wear you down. Never let them tear you down. Never let them get you down. Never let them take you down. Never let them get you down. Never let them get you down. Never let them wear let them bring you down. Never let them fling you down. Never let them bring you down. You must never let them. Never let them take you down. Never let them get you down. Never let them wear you down. Never let them tear you down. Never let them push you down. Never let them bring you down. You must never let them. Must be a better way. Must be a brighter day. Yeah. Love is a better way. When they want to go astray. Life is a better way. Yeah. Love is a better way. Yeah. Life is a better way. When they want to go astray. Never let them get you down. Never let them wear you down. Never let them tear you down. Never let them get you down. Never let them take you down. Never let them get you down. Never let them get you down. Never let them take you down. Never let them swear you down. Never let them wear you down. Never let them bring you down. Never let them bring you down. Misguided our youth, misled us from the truth, told us a lie. Started up new tricks on my mind, time after time, just to take everything that is mine. What more do you want from me? You Mr. Wicked Man, you can't get away. For all the wrongs you've done, you must have to pay. For all the innocent people that suffered and died, and though you hear them crying, you never winked your eye. You distorted our roots, misguided our youth, misled us from the truth, told us a lie. Started up new tricks on my mind, time after time, just to take everything that is mine. What more do you want from me? You build your skyscrapers, write what you want in your papers, manipulate the society to downpress the poor and needy. You think you are untouchable, but you'll be held accountable for all the innocent blood that's on your head. You done charted our roots, misguided our youth, misled us from the truth, told us a lie. Started up new tricks on my mind, time after time, just to take everything that is mine. What more do you want? You done charted our roots, misguided our youth, misled us from the truth, told us a lie. Started up judgment cometh quickly for the wicked and the ungodly. For the merciless there'll be no mercy. No mercy. Face your retribution, you're bound to reap your portion for wrongs that you have done on creation. You done charted our roots, misguided our youth, misled us from the truth, told us a lie. Started up new tricks on my mind, time after time, just to take everything that is mine. What more do you want? You done charted our roots, misguided our youth, misled us from the truth, told us a lie. Started up patience is a reproach to any people, but we standing tall. I will never fail, I will never fail. From my emperor Selah, I the youth them are ill. I will never fail, I will never fail. I good over evil righteousness must have to prevail. I will never fail, I will never fail. When I broke down the barriers and the borders and the rail. I will never fail, I will never fail. But the black star line I'm on a sail. King Shango coming down. Yo, that one you lick them like a lava. Boom, wicked man head bust like guava. Right now the youth them say them getting broader, yeah. Hey, King Shango coming down. Yeah, that one you take them like a lava. Oh, boom, a boy we climb a man border. Cause if the woman never alone myself we get this harder, yeah.
and name chop. Hold the orders and the discipline. And tell the whole of them not try for this the king. Cause we are the king of all kings. We not eat the fish them cause we know them have to swim. We not eat the bird them cause we know them have to sing. Emperor Selah ruler over all things. Tell them to be careful of the words when them a fling. Now me tell the youth to go them locks and say no trim. King Shango coming down. Yo, that one ya lick them like a lava. Boom, wicked man head bust like guava. Right now the youth them say them getting brother, yeah. Hey, so King Shango coming down. Yeah, that one ya take them like a lava. Oh, now boy we climb a man border. Cause the woman them alone myself we get this harder, yeah. So me say you get hypocrites may wanna see me down, but I ain't giving up. I know they're trying to push me down, but I ain't giving up. I know they're wishing to see me fall, but I ain't giving up. Till King Selassie I am standing tall. Look how I'm living. Me down. Yo, that one ya lick them like a lava. Boom, wicked man head bust like guava. Right now the youth them say them getting brother, yeah. Hey, so King Shango coming down. Yeah, that one ya take them like a lava. Oh, now boy we climb a man border. Cause the woman them alone myself we get this harder, yeah. Alright, then that one ya name. Well, enough no have no substance. Find out enough get eat out by duckans. Yo, them sell out the youth, them Phyllis and Troublesome. Nah, he go tell me so them a move too stubborn. Them never check the upliftment of opans. Some men find out that them hate not lovers. Emperor Selassie I him done governs. If them this the king we tell them say go banks. King Shango coming down. Yo, that one ya lick them like a lava. Boom, wicked man head bust like guava. Right now the youth them say them getting brother, yeah. Hey, so King Shango coming down. Yeah, that one ya take them like a lava. Oh, now boy we climb a man border. Cause the woman them alone myself we get this harder, yeah. So we say young get
run the place where ghetto youths rise and realize if you eyes on the prize. Don't believe none of them lies. Ghetto youths rise and realize when I ghetto youth dies, I tear full up me eyes. Ghetto youths rise and realize if you eyes on the prize. Don't believe none of them lies. Ghetto youths rise and realize when I ghetto youth dies, I tear
the garrison feel link up like coach them pan train. No fire, no more gun for them political campaign. Stop, fight the turf war for corners and lane, and take it to life teachings and what it contain. Then the vanity was smaller than a sun grain. Man I got the baby throat, shut out the old man brain. Me nah sell out no matter how the journey hot. All when a five and we a share one dumpling in a the pot, me stand firm.
Ghetto youths rise and realize if you eyes on the prize. Don't believe none of them lies. Ghetto youths rise and realize when I ghetto youth dies, I'll tear
full up me eyes.
Ghetto youths rise and realize if you eyes on the prize. Don't believe none of them lies. Ghetto youths rise and realize when I ghetto youth dies, I'll tear
full up me eyes. No love nah spread. Me see pure bloodshed, and me know that's not the way in which the youth was bred. Me no take no talk, that's what Omar said. Yesterday me received the call, Omar dead. Him mother ball, she hold her head. Fuck up the body, her blouse become the color red. Me nah go take no breath we God give unto men. Me nah go make because I make him pick me them, no see him again, me nah do it.
Ghetto Ghetto youths rise and realize if you eyes on the prize. Don't believe none of them lies. Ghetto youths rise and realize when I ghetto youth dies, I teardrops full up me eyes. Ghetto youths rise and realize if you eyes on the prize. Don't believe none of them lies. Ghetto youths rise and realize when I ghetto youth dies, I teardrops.
The garrison feel link up like coach them pan train. No fire, no more gun for them political campaign. Stop, fight the turf war for corners and lane, and take it to life teachings and what it contain. Then the vanity was smaller than a sand grain. Man a cut the baby throat, shut out the old man brain. Me nah sell out no matter how the journey hot. And when a five we a share, one dumpling in a the pot me stand firm.
Ghetto youths rise and realize if you eyes on the prize. Don't believe none of them lies. Ghetto youths rise and realize.
No. Things not gonna be the same no more. No. Open your eyes. Yeah, full time, you all realize, yeah, things not gonna be the same no more, no. Get the youth rise, yeah, rise, yeah. Hey, this ain't no, don't think this industry's fun. And when your money is up, that's when the enemies come. So while you work and get your pay, got to save your own for another day. Don't ever let mama die for hunger. Don't ever forget your brother. Don't ever forget your sister. For your burn, continually certain not gonna be the same no more. No. Open your eyes, yeah. Full time, you all realize, yeah. Things not gonna be the same no more. No. Get the youth rise, yeah. Rise, yeah. Not for them, not for wonder why all the youth are strive. Hypocrites upon them bad lives. The righteous are go walking to the path of Jah himself. And then the evil are go melt like a butter against sun. Them have to stop the youth. Them have to go down for all the innocent. But them put on the ground. Things not gonna be the same no more. No. Open your eyes, yeah. Full time, you all realize, yeah. Things not gonna be the same no more. No. Things gotta change around, yeah. See, I got to be around, yeah. Get the youth right, yeah. Right. Open your eyes, yeah. Full time, you all realize, get the youth right. Things not gonna be the same. Things not gonna be the same. No. Things not gonna be the same. 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 No. Things not gonna be the same. Things not gonna be the same. No. Things not gonna be the same. Things not gonna be the same. No.
Everything is gonna be alright. Hey, in your darkest night, Jah will be there. When you can't see the light, Jah will be there. Don't be scared. Don't have no night, Jah will be there. When you can't see the light, Jah will be there. Don't be scared. No, don't have no fear. No fear. Always remember that Jah is always there. There ain't nothing that Jah can't do. What He did for Daniel, He's gonna do for you. Like Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego went through the fire and they never get burned. Jah's gonna, He will give you your desires. 'Cause in the darkest night, Jah will be there. When you can't see the light, Jah will be there. Don't be scared. Don't have no fear, no. Always remember that Jah is always there. Yeah. In your darkest night, Jah will be there.
What a day, what a day, what a day. What a day when the table turn. That no say we are go show off with it. Man a man, we are all we made it. What a day, what a day, what a day. What a day when the table turn. That no say we are go show off with it. Man a man, we are all we made it. Time pass by me, they don't for me face. Got a pair of shoes and me no got no lace. Close teary, hard life me a face. In a this abyss where me get a break, yeah. Jah, you save me. You give me the strength to show me what I can be. I'm not here to live for myself. I'm not like those who not give to no one else. What a day, what a day, what a day. What a day when the table turn. That no say me I go show off with it. Man a man, we are what we made it. What a day, what a day, what a day. What a day when the table turn. That no say we are go show off with it. Man a man, we are all we made it. Me remember in a me tear up shots. Me a walk past on the bypass. Me a fan down every car fly past. Them around me way say me fi get lost. Oh, that's how life goes. Them never know me woulda wear pretty clothes. No one to give to me a pair of shoes. What a day, what a day, what a day. What a day when the table turn. That no say me I go show off with it. Man a man, we are all we made it. What a day, what a day, what a day, yeah. What a day when the table turn. What a day, what a day, what a day. What a day when the table turn. I'm rising from low to high. I'm reaching to the sky. Never gonna stop trying, never gonna stop. I got my family to feed. Don't you forget. When you down, nobody see you. No one to stretch a $1 give you. But as soon as you rise, who no one can Kentucky them one price. What a day, what a day, what a day. What a day when the table turn. That no say me I go show off with it. Man a man, we are what we made it. What a day, what a day, what a day. What a day when the table turn. That no say we are go show off with it. Man a man, we are what we made it. Me remember in a me tear up cuts. Me a walk past on the bypass. Me a fan down every car fly past. Them around me way say me fi get lost. Oh, that's how life goes.
Come along, let's all unite with Jah. From the gullies and the Gazas and the trenches, rise to the top, no good things life have recommended. Them can't say we no try. All them got to do is strengthen us and know by giving us a blind. Many will rise to be the product of society. Uplift yourself even though the system it abuse me. And as the time goes by, still in search of a better life. I bless the man from society, la ville and spoilers. I hail the man them who a try keep the peace. I bless the man from Rima and Matthews Lane and Dunkirk. Make it work, friend. I bless the man from Southside, Tel Aviv and Spoilers. I hail the man them who a try keep the peace. I bless the man from Waterhouse and Southside and Jungle. Oh Lord, well, oh yes, yes it was hard, but still we survive. With a vision in sight, better days will arrive. Get your people business and multiply. Set up business over there so get things supersized. It was hard but still we survive. Good times, bad times, still we never subside. Have to make some progress, we have to survive. This ghetto life, ghetto paradise. I bless the man from Southside, Tel Aviv and Spoilers. I hail the man them who a try keep the peace. I bless the man from Rima and Matthews Lane and Dunkirk. Make it work, friend. I bless the man from Southside, Tel Aviv and Spoilers. I hail the man them who a try keep the peace. I bless the man from Waterhouse and Southside and Jungle. Oh Lord, well, oh yes, yes, heartless and ruthless, some say. They just never keep the peace. Call him the dupes and the dappers and the shotters and not steppers. Everything them a pre. Cold-hearted and ruthless, them say. Still a bunch of wannabes. And then the way how them a clock it and a bust it and a galang. Following bad company, saying them are tough like stone, cold like ice. Can't have a little youth a run by the line. Bring back the love, I beg you, ice up the vibes. Can't say me never did I warn you. Southside, Tel Aviv and Spoilers. I bless the man them who a try keep the peace. I bless the man from TG and Matthews Lane and Dunkirk. Make it work, friend. I bless the man from Southside, Tel Aviv and Spoilers. I hail the man them who a try keep the peace. I bless the man from Waterhouse and Southside and Jungle. Oh Lord, well, oh yes. From the gullies and the Gazas and the trenches, rise to the top, no good things life have recommended. Them can't say we not try. All them got to do is
tell me, how I and I feel survive when you make it hard again? How the youth them figure school when you win on no money fi spend? How the crime rate figure down when you import the gun them? And street life hard, my friend, yeah. Blood sucking vampires, yo, it's all about them. All when the youths are ball for food, them careless, my friend. Separation to a nation, generation X, my friend. Now why you not gonna end? Hey, cause it's unfair to we. You say that you love and say you care for we. A false promises you come to preach to we. Cause all I can see is poverty, slavery guaranteed. It's unfair to we. You say that you love and say you care for we. A false promises you come to preach to we. Cause all I can see is poverty, slavery guaranteed.
Them no know how we youths go to school now college facing collateral damage. Them no know how we find the oats put in the pot and boil little porridge. Them no know how we hustle hard, forget the little gungo plus the little cabbage. Them no know how we manage. Them no know say that's why the youths go so savage. Them no know say when we are hustle hard in the street, I fi carry on do a can't still a beat. Them no know say more time when we are run about chicken back outside in a beat. Them no know about cassava, the quarter, the half a bird. Them no care if we son or we daughter, they're the margin heritage. Sinkers right now, poor people are the bird.
It's unfair to we. You say that you love and say you care for we.
No care.
A false promises you come to preach to we. Cause all I can see is poverty, slavery guaranteed. It's unfair to we. You say that you love and say you care for we. A false promises you come to preach to we. Cause all I can see is poverty, slavery guaranteed. But still them not stop, we shine no unemployment line. We all go hustle non-stop because we're born in the struggle. Watch them, I try figure we out. Oh, them not get we out.
Yo, the big guys put tax on tax, but that not okay. Then them relax like that is okay. Them even tax a box, a cigarette tax box. Poor people left them in a debt. Them no care which part the youth sleep. Them no care where poor people find food for eat. Cause if a pan for them property, we are good with them jail, we are kick, we are street. Alright then, it easier to get robbed than get a job. Easy to grab a bag than turn your one a doorknob, yeah. So when the youths them lay down on the sidewalk, I know them are the system of skylark.
Yo, it's unfair to we. You say that you love and say you care for we. A false promises you come to preach to we. Cause all I can see is poverty, slavery, guarantee.
Mykal, we all juke you out the back and cut you out the gang cool. I'm for the poor and the needy who ain't got it easy. Miss, I want it all, you want to take it all. Why are you moving so greedy? I'm for the poor and the needy who ain't got it easy. Miss, I want it all, you want to take it all. Why are you moving so greedy? You know it goes when you're poor and in the streets. It's a survival when the two ends meet. Sometimes I wonder how some parents do it. Broken and no money and the system a leak. So if the poor come knocking at your door and don't turn away, give back something to the poor and just give a little, share a little, make it stretch. Flavor hungry so the fire off it catch. Hear me now. I'm for the poor and the needy who ain't got it easy. Miss, I want it all, you want to take it all. Why are you moving so greedy? I'm for the poor and the needy who ain't got it easy. Miss, I want it all, you want to take it all. Why are you moving so greedy? Me ball save, do not spend it all. Save, you know the poor money not all. Save, all the rich me see a ball who used to have it now a crawl, them a crawl. Can't even find money nowadays, sit buy lunch. Some second feed the lime, the sugar and left the punch. Next door to impossible, can't even find munch. The roller ball out, credit crunch. Hear me now. I'm for the poor and the needy who ain't got it easy. Miss, I want it all, you want to take it all. Why are you moving so greedy? I'm for the poor and the needy who ain't got it easy. Miss, I want it all, you want to take it all. Why are you moving so greedy? You know it goes when you're poor and in the streets. It's a survival when the two ends meet. Sometimes I wonder how some parents do it. Broken and no money and the system a leak. So if the poor come knocking at your door and don't turn away, give back something to the poor and just give a little, share a little, make it stretch. Man hungry so the fire off it catch. Hear me now. I'm for the poor and the needy who ain't got it easy. Miss, I want it all, you want to take it all. Why are you moving so greedy?
Sometimes I humble myself at Jah's feet, so he can show me what's going down while the world is going round. And though it may seem righteousness I go get defeat, the spirit I go rise against the tide. Hold the faith and just be wise. Show ye to be strong in a Babylon. Let down not utter words of hurt and humiliation. So when I call on your name, I call on your name, things won't be the same. When I'm calling on your name, when I call on your name, I call on your name, things never seem so clear.
Jahda children will always be there. Who will I sing for? Jah, if it's not for you. And at this year, my Gideon, I know that the chosen are few. And I don't understand things that people kill and die for. But I'm a simple man, and wars I never called for. So when I sit away to a place where man can pray, 7 miles from the city, to your altar I will say, oh, when I call on your name, all on your name, things won't be the same. Oh, when I'm calling on Jahda name, oh, when I call on your name, all on your name, things never seem so clear. Jahda children will always be there. Jah was there for Moses to set the people free. The wisdom of Solomon, the burning tree, yeah. The heart of David, Goliath never had a chance. The conquering lion to the throne of Zion, shepherd for Ryan, Diana. I'm on in an island, conquering lion. Island.
While your plan is to divide and conquer, little children are die from hunger. We shall see when the battle is over. Judgment, judgment. War is not the answer. Create love always. War is not the answer. Create your love always. War is not the answer. Create love always. War is not the answer. Spread out your love. We got the victory torch upon in the fire a scorch. Me at a mentality dropping insanity up on the government porch. How come you never abort? They shipping up guns in a port and make an economy pushing the sodomy up in the jail and the court. Manufacturing arms, the market the killing of man. Them say be all it can be in the military psychological plan. But when you back up a dog, in a corner the dog will bite. Hey! An infection induced by power abuse, bring truth to light. War is not the answer. Create love always. War is not the answer. Create your love always. War is not the answer. Create love always. War is not the answer. Spread out your love. So don't ever doubt the power of the people. Don't pick up the gun to shoot your brother and kill them. Don't ever disobey God's teaching. Don't live a day without holding a reference school. We live in a peace and love, that is the golden rule. Do your best when living like the Lion of Judah. Remember Jah is love, so army man put down the tool. Stop acting cruel, no. My ancestors' love stand firm. Superstorm is the tip of the iceberg. The blacks who were slaves return. What goes around comes back to burn. Commercial illusionists, them a recruit me black people from high school and college. We fight in a them war when they have no meaning, and I corrupt the mass media with terrorism screening. In a war, if a youth man a 10, cut across enemy borders, them a go bust him head. That's the law and the rule of engagement. Enslavement, Babylon chaos plan to hit the pavement. War is not the answer. Create love always. War is not the answer. Create your love always. War is not the answer. Create love always. War is not the answer. Spread out your love.
Me wish me were you dead when them rush in.
But me glad me never did it when them broke in. Guns blazing, another innocent life taking. Some of them don't live to see 2013. And for what? A few $1,000 from the cocaine. The rims on your Ferrari and your gold chain. Your malice and your jealousy cause tragedy. For a few dollars more you leave the blood stain. Well, it's the same old story. The youth drop out for the money and the fame and the glory. I pray Jah protect us day by day as we track down these evil streets. I'm looking forward to the best in life. Nah bother with no stress in life. So many valleys to walk, rivers to cross, and so many mountains to climb. We rise above the test in life. It's not always easy to do what's right. And so we tell the youth them gather up them strength. Cause life is no easy ride. True. So tell me what is life worth? Cause you know and say you're only on this earth for a short while. And feel what your profile. Respect man and woman and child. Rasta in front, we never stay back. Cause you know we not go follow in a straight flag. So think for yourself and keep on track. The negative chat, we not give them no feedback. Just the best in life. We not bother with no stress in life. So many valleys to walk, rivers to cross, and so many mountains to climb. We rise above the test in life. It's not always easy to do what's right. And so me tell the youth them gather up them straight. Cause life is no easy ride. Yeah. So me tell them keep the focus. Them a chat but them no know us. Them for mind how they approach us. Yeah. We there ya on a mid-span life and a balance. Now get caught up in a no ignorance. Some of them become a victim of circumstance. Me nah go trust them with my life. Me nah take no chance. Cause me prefer live a life full of abundance. Yeah, I'm looking forward to the best in life. Nah bother with no stress in life. So many valleys to walk, rivers to cross, and so many mountains to climb. We rise above the test in life. It's not always easy to do what's right. And so we tell the youth them gather up them strength. Cause life is no easy ride. I'm looking forward to the best in life. Nah bother with no stress in life. So many valleys to walk, rivers to cross, and so many mountains to climb. We rise above the test in life. It's not always easy to do what's right. And so we tell the youth them gather up them strength. Cause life is no easy ride. So we rise above the test in life. Looking for the best in life.
Show us the danger. Don't you treat us like no stranger. 400 years of Babylon. Now is the time to rise and free the black man. Show them the danger. Don't you treat them like no stranger. They're the rulers from creation. This is the Black Royals every nation. Queen Elizabeth slavers across the ocean, John Pope traders. And they could never take away, now get away what Prince Emmanuel gave us. To silence them paraders. Them a tell me about them Jesus. And all them lynching, pinching, King Selassie I save us. Show us the danger. Don't you treat us like no stranger. 400 years of Babylon. Now is the time to rise and free them black man and show them the danger. Don't you treat them like no stranger. Because they're the rulers from creation. This is the Black Royals every nation. The government know the truth, but they got an attitude and try to kill the saints who come for the multitude. Then this is majesty, and I think that's very rude for black people to work so hard. You see, they got no gratitude. How you get cotton? How you get tin? How you get a language fearing up with your name? How you get gold, diamond, and pearl? How you get so many beautiful boys and girls? How you get riches? How you get fame? How you get your knowledge? From whence do you came? You stole all things from Africa.
Africa. Show us the danger. Don't you treat us like a stranger. 400 years of Babylon. Now is the time to rise and free the black man and show them the danger. Don't you treat them like no stranger. Because they're the rulers of creation. This is the black royals of nation.
And the prize will rise, and the prize I will rise with my eyes, and the prize. None of them can go round me. None catch up on the strap for them drown me. Selah say I done safe and sound me. Them jealous how the whole world crown me. Well, them a try figure round me. Now catch up on the strap for them down me. The powers of the Most High surround me. Them vex to the whole world crown me. Alright, when them a worry we a pray, worry we a pray, and tell the youths them don't go astray. When them a worry we a pray, worry we a pray, give thanks we see a shining there. Yeah, them a worry we a pray, worry we a pray, for the youths them education no decay. When them a worry we a pray, worry we a pray, and I plant more food than I declare. Well, see them now, after me sit up, well and then me observe. So me burn up anything when I love herb. This moral breakdown is getting absurd. Me say rise up from your slumber on the slug nerve. Enough of them whistling like that bird. Forward we going off the backward. Find out them mentally upward. I trace like woman that drop that word. When them a worry we a pray, worry we a pray, until the youth them don't go astray. When them a worry we a pray, worry we a pray, give thanks we see a shining day. Yeah, them a worry we a pray, worry we a pray, for the youth them education no decay. When them a worry we a pray, worry we a pray, and I plant more food than I declare. But see them know that the abundance of water only get them rock down. Burn the mad scientists and the mad van, grabbing a barrel, stabbing a back, only burn bad lamp. Show them one the youth them life we get stagnant. Can't stop the youth them from pull through. Them a bend up them face with a full screw. We tell them see the entourage and the full crew, fire span a pull screw. I will stand and fight and defend equal rights. I will stand for justice every day and night. I will stand and fight and defend equal rights. Cause I will stand for justice every day and night. Some go so yo, I road to travel, make them know say it's a long way. Righteousness get to youths not go the wrong way. Cause you know the Most High will bless you one day. Can't weak, well you have to strong, yeah. No vulnerability to no weakness. Them can't make my night, them sleepless. Them not in the earth, them not no meekness. Kingston, Jamaica, blaze up the fire. Well then yo. Well, I met true love for the first time. My pretty empress play with my mind. My father rests his feet at night. The garrison never sleep until Tom put up the fight. Garrison people, them full of vibe and full of heart. Still I see come from Waterhouse when reggae music starts. I'm just a street child rolling in a first class, and I will never let my people down. I'll always do my part, yo. We don't play, we don't play. They don't play in the ghetto. We don't play, we don't play. Them no ramp in the ghetto. In the garrison. The nine that terrorize my brother. In the garrison. They gonna push with me and others. In the garrison. Police around poor people struggle. Garrison me say I'm not pretty noble. Hear the tall up and spit fire in a kirk. Franklin turn on me place, so no boy can diss the turf. See you and down a jungle, all of the thugs them wear a shirt. And that's all Jahdan down in the earth. Boom. We don't play, we don't play. They don't play in the ghetto. We don't play, we don't play.
My father rests his feet at night. The garrison never sleep and see town put up the fight, yo.
We don't play, we don't play.
They don't play in the ghetto.
We don't play.
Tell me about your happy rice 6 pants and now you kill the woman and she pregnant. Hey, murderer, cold-blooded murderer. Next time before your finger touch the trigger, stop and think if you'd have shot your own mother. Murderer, cold-blooded murderer. Too much blood that run like river. Selassie, I say bless up for the longest liver. But see nowadays youth heartless. I build fear, man, money in a them thoughts, yes. Them and the devil in a contest. Cause them no work for be love, not godless. So them a shut out when no take talk. If them shut you at Jamaica, you make headline in New York. But look how much life you write off. So all you sleep in your bed when it touch dark. Tell me no murderer, cold-blooded murderer. Next time before your finger touch the trigger, stop and think if you'd have shot your own mother. Murderer, cold-blooded murderer. Too much blood that run like river. Selassie, I say bless up for the longest liver. You see you lurking a dark fi take your brother life. You run out a shot, you run nothing knife. You say fi murder people make you happy light, because killing is a part of your appetite. Me will want world one fi pop this tribe. Serial killer who the carbon copy type. I kill the innocent and that no right. And when we talk them say we too bright, because them a murderer, cold-blooded murderer. Next time before you think of
all of my enemies gon' hear them condemnation. Posted at poverty is the trap, but not for me. Oh, my soul is cleaner than that deep blue sea. Them can't catch me. Oh we chat them a chat, give them a yap. In my face them can't chat back. Me them a watch, me them one chop. Had them dinner table eating water. Don't you smile in my face. Mockingbird, you got to know your place. Not true, you see me smile, me laugh. I know every laugh I laugh. You hear poverty is the trap, but not for me. Oh, my soul is cleaner than that deep blue sea. Them can't catch me. I am born to win, destined to be great, and none of them fool can make me lose my faith. I'm firm in my walk and I hold my head straight. And in the filthiness I don't participate. I am as I am through the grace of Jah. August stone me come from, I'm a blessing can't stop poverty. Is the trap, but not for me. Oh, my soul is cleaner than that deep blue sea. Them can't catch me. Real talk. Over religion is the spiritual. Talk them talk, what them don't take it literal. So divided and so dimensional. Unconditional love should be universal. All we see is our differences, burning down our cities, and united we strong and divided we fall. You deaf, yeah, the youth them a ball. Boy, oh, boy, oh.
deliver me from the hands of my enemy. My enemy, bigger old thing that I would go under the ground. Jah deliver me from the hands of my enemy. My enemy. So make we fight for we right just like Shaka Zulu. Africans unite like Bob Marley told you. Time for stand up for peace like Kofi and the show. You will never discover by Marco Polo. So come on, make we dig for the truth. We spar the library. Enough things that them teach nowadays unnecessary. Them not preach love and sincerity. That's why them always a fight solidarity. Every time the pagan trying to see I go down, Jah deliver me from the hands of my enemy. My enemy, nigga, old think I would go under the ground. Jah deliver me from the hands of my enemy. My enemy. I say we too blessed to be stressed, man. Have faith like Daniel. Inna the lion, then you can call pan him and he will. He never let us down, cause Rasta man is so spiritual. We never stop on the wicked man and rebel. Every time the pagan try to see I go down, Jah deliver me from the hands of my enemies. My enemies, nigga, whole thing that I would go under the ground. Jah deliver me from the hands of my enemy. My enemy. No matter about the color on your face or your income, only clean heart can enter Jah kingdom. It no matter how much gold you can bring, come make sure you no salt like gypsum. So time to fight for your right, just like Shaka Zulu. Africans unite like Bob Marley told you. Time to stand up for peace like Kofi and the show. You will never discover by Marco Polo. So every time the pagan try to see I go down, Jah deliver me from the hands of my enemy. My enemy, nigga, whole thing there would put I underneath that. Yeah, Jah deliver me.
Jahdan knows what's best for me, and he alone knows my destiny. And I'm going out and coming in. Emperor Selassie, I blesses everything. Yeah. When the pagan come after me, I'm not afraid, cause Jaja is next to me. My mighty fortress, my shield and defense. Jah love give me energy. So tell them Jaja gonna make a way. It no matter what the pagan say. Jaja gonna make a way somehow. That's why I pray. Cause Jaja gonna make a way. And it no matter what the pagan say. Jaja gonna make a way somehow. And I could never do without. It's blessing, oh no doubt. Salvation is the key to open the gates of Zion, where I wanna be. And you should never let me down. Love and harmony. My people from near and far, just know who you are. Make them know this. Papa Jaja gonna make a way. And it no matter what the pagan say. Jaja gonna make a way somehow. That's why I pray. Jaja gonna make a way. No matter what the pagan say. Jaja gonna make a way somehow. Someday my faith shall never sleep nor slumber. Lightning is at your feet, roll thunder. From you no want no peace, warmonger. Disobedience will make you die from hunger. Drinking the blood of the innocent and eating the flesh, what an incident. Children, never disobey your parents. Precious time spent, hear me now. Papa Jaja gonna make a way. No matter what the wicked are say. Jaja gonna make a way somehow. That's why I pray. Jaja gonna make a way. No
So shoot the understanding. Yes, it goes like this. No matter how you deep in it, say there's a better way, but are you seeking it? Tired we wake up and go to sleep in it. Me hear the people cry, me hear them weeping it. This system I fight with them, but I am beating it. Victory is mine and I am keeping it. Me done set me goal and I'm reaching it. You don't have to settle for less. Messenjah Selah preaching it. Let them know the ghetto can't hold with them. Poverty and pain and no fun. We're not giving up, cause better must come. Yes, better must come. Yes, better must come. Suffering will last forever, no. Never you say never, no. Out of the ghetto we are go, come on, let's go. No last forever, no. They want we be forever, but now say for less. Give me more, knock on the door. Open the door, suffering will last forever, no. Never you say never, no. Out of the ghetto we are go, come on, let's go. Yo, it no last forever, no. They no want we fi make no dough. Out of the ghetto we are go, I say let's go. I know this is not the way you wanna live. Look how many rise from them situation and make it big. Yo, just have a trust in Most High Jah and stay positive. Keep it positive. The ghetto take many dreams. Wake up from your dream. It can be a nightmare. Don't let them kill your dream. Oh, you wait forever, yo. Never you say never, no. Out of the ghetto we are go. Come on, let's go. Separation will last forever, no. They want we be forever, but you know what? We want more. Knock on the door. Open the door. Tribulation will last forever, no. Never you say never, no. Out of the ghetto we are go. Come on, let's go, yo. It won't last forever, no. Them no one we fi make no door. Out of the ghetto we are go. I say, let's go. The strongest, the smartest, and the best. The ghetto produce the roughest, the toughest, and the blessed. Don't let them reduce you to nothing less. Now come and tell me that you're helpless. No, you are born with greatness, destined for greatness. To believe in yourself, that is the greatest. Burnout, hopelessness, and homelessness. There is no doubt that you are blessed. Suffering will last forever, no. Never you say never, no. Out of the ghetto we are go. Come on, let's go. Oh, don't last forever, no. They want to be forever, but don't give me less. We want more, but me knock on the door. Better open the door. Suffering will last forever, no. Never you say never, no. Out of the ghetto we are go. Come on, let's go. No, don't last forever, no. They know how we be make no doubt. Out of the ghetto we are go. Me say, let's go. You can do it. Just believe it. Son, bombs. Me, I wonder what they pan the you them mind. Babylon, take away your guns or there will be no peace. War and violence in the city, Nazis. Let's believe. Teach the youth the right, they make them knowledge increase. The warrior them come to kill out the beast. Take away your guns or there will be no peace. War and violence in the city, Nazis. Best believe it, the youth them the right, make them knowledge increase. The warrior them come to kill out the beast. Corruption them a treasure, redder, redder, redder. Take the youth them out of slavery, run go tell the governor. Stop go and soft, stop go and passa passa. Want to lose all, now the fire get hotter. Babylon kingdom is falling. When the fire get hotter, he them balling. Yeah, them never hear King Selassie calling. Or even the Naya Bingi chanting. Naya Bingi chanting. Babylon, take away your guns or there will be no peace. War and violence in the city, Nazis. Let's believe. Teach the youth the right, they make them knowledge increase. The warrior them come to kill out the beast. Take away your guns or there will be no peace. War and violence in the city, Nazis. Let's believe. Teach the youth them the right, make them knowledge increase. The warrior them come to kill out the beast. Guns and bombs are not right. Still Rasta man them a fight. Oh what a sight. Them a try disguise the light. Give them the ammunition and I watch them collide. Oh what a sight. Now the city catch a blaze. King Selassie we a praise. Now commit no crime and still a catch a case. All the looting and shooting got the heft not trace. Mama cry, whoa, your son has been slain. Babylon, take away your guns or there will be no peace. War and violence in the city, Nazis. Let's believe. Teach the youth the right, they make them knowledge increase. them knowledge increase. The warrior them come to kill out the enemy and them future seeds. We come to slew the scribes and all Pharisees. Them a recruit, we a fight for sanity. Stop tell the youth we shoot, set the innocent free. Yeah. Who's responsible for the gun? Used to go that way. Teach the youth them the way to go. I will lead so you can follow. Give them the teaching so them can learn. Dirty Babylon feel burn. Teach the youth them the way to go. I will lead so you can follow. Give them the teaching so them can learn. That is my concern. Youth don't forget the order of the day. To the Most High Jah, we give thanks and praises every day for us to make it through these years. Oh, cause the laws of the world don't already change. Teach the youth them the way to go. I will lead so you can follow. Give them the teaching so them can learn. Dirty government feel burn. Teach the youth them the way to go. I will lead so you can follow. Give them the teaching. There is so much to learn. Them system now do nothing to help me. So them expect me to fail. Them rather see me shot dead in the streets. I get locked up behind some prison rail. My people wake up from sleeping. Learn to feed yourself, go and go do some farming. In a this a dreadful system, you don't be a victim now. Teach the youth them the way to go. I will lead so you can follow. Give them the teaching so them can learn. Fast leaders we burn. Teach the youth them the way to go. I will lead so you can follow. Give them the teaching so them can learn. Oh yeah. Teach them about Brother Marcus. Teach them about King Selah. Teach them about truths and rights. Never give up the fight. Never give it up. Always live it up. The future is yours. So always put your trust in the Most High. He will guide over us. Teach the youth them the way to go. I will lead so you can follow. Give them the teaching so them can learn. Politicians we burn. Teach the youth them the way to go. I will lead so you can follow. Give them the teaching. There is so much to learn.
It's not me look a wonder. Yeah. Jah, give I strength to overcome trials and them trouble, yeah. Give I strength to overcome, yeah, yeah. Jah, give I strength to overcome. Give I the knowledge and the wisdom. Give I strength to overcome, yeah, yeah. Suddenly, friends become your enemies. You don't know who to trust. Last man I stress you out and I nag you every day. Like him while you give it up. Even your friends who you thought was your bona fide, yeah. They tell lies on you and turn their backs on you and say, let him be crucified, give I strength to overcome trials and them trouble, yeah. Give I strength to overcome, yeah, yeah. Jah, give I strength to overcome. Give I the knowledge and the wisdom. Give I strength to overcome, yeah. You got to get up, stand up, get up, stand up, stand up for your right. Keep going on, don't give up the fight, no matter what. Remember that, Giant and graduate back. Even though sometimes we do get tired and weak along this rocky journey, we can't get no sleep.
No sleep.
But with your faith as small as a mustard seed, to complete your mission, I say, that is all you need. Just give us strength to overcome troubles and trials, yeah. Give us strength to overcome, yeah, yeah. Just give us strength to overcome. Give I the knowledge and the wisdom. Give I strength to overcome, yeah, yeah. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He restored my soul. Yeah! So I not stress out myself and worry. As long as I give thanks and praise, I know it's everything Chris. Ja! Ja! Give my strength to overcome troubles and them trials, yeah. Give my strength to overcome. Keep on Messenjah. Some keep on Messenjah. They might ask ya, why the wicked and not dead yet? Prophecy it have to fulfill. They might ask ya, why the evil them not end yet? Prophecy it have to fulfill. Just say before one of my words passed away, heaven and earth will never be again. Oh no, no. That is the words of the Almighty. Let it be, let it be, let it be. Open your hearts and open your mind, yeah. So long people been looking for a sign. They might ask ya, why the wicked them not dead yet? Prophecy it have to fulfill. They might ask ya, why the evil it not end yet? Prophecy it have to fulfill. Yeah, have to fulfill. Have to fulfill, yeah. Have to fulfill. Oh yeah, yeah. Open your heart and open your mind, yeah. So long people been looking for a sign. They might ask ya, why the wicked them not dead yet? Prophecy it have to fulfill. They might ask ya, why the evil them not dead yet? Prophecy it have to fulfill. Just say before one of my words shall pass away, there will be no night, there will be no day, yeah. You gotta give thanks and praise to the Almighty Jah, and you will be on the right track, oh yeah. You the heathen, them coulda never stop. They might ask ya, why the heathen them not dead yet? Prophecy it have to fulfill. They might ask ya, why the heathen them not dead yet? Prophecy it have to fulfill. Open your eyes.
Too much blood in the streets from lately. Even a shot and a kill all, baby. The motherless needs unreal. Let's give unreal. It's no if, no maybe. Hey, too much blood in the streets from lately. One a shot and a kill all, baby. The motherless needs unreal. Let's give unreal. It's no if, no maybe. I'm here, hungry belly in the street, and we can't turn we eye and go on like we no see it. African poverty and hunger get defeat. We all have to work and put we shoulders to the weed. Them not help the youths and wonder why the blood a leak. Every day, yeah, them trying to get the best away. See them are trying to turn the youth them in a refugee. Youths over the centuries. See them on the bill graves and penitentiaries. In a Babylon, that's them temporaries. Too much blood in the streets from lately. Yeah, man, a shot and a kill all, baby. The motherless needs unreal. Let's give unreal. It's no if not maybe. Hey, too much blood in the streets from lately. Man, a shot and a kill all, baby. The motherless needs unreal. Let's give unreal. And the more time you take, and more time I last. Remember time no wait for no man when time a pass. All ways of God pan the sign you walk. Cause mankind no have no love in them heart. As a war start them a reach for. Rise up the creature. Just be careful they can shot will reach you. As far they will leave you. That side they will grieve you. Them quick to sell you out cause them no need you. Them can't trod the road where we go. Cause when you're hungry them not feed you. Too much blood in the streets from lately. Yeah, man, a shot and a kill on, baby. The motherless needs unreal. Let's give unreal. It's no if, not maybe. Hey, too much blood in the streets from lately. Yeah, man, a shot and a kill on, baby.
I Troublesome. We're living in a world of salvation. We're living in a world of separation. We're living in a world of frustration. Babylon war we malfunction. We're living in a world of starvation. We're living in a world of separation. Too much younger youths in the nation. Nation, nation, yo, the government a fraud. Getting richer, while life gets harder. Everything increase, me see them a junkyard. Little stay little, while the bigger get larger. Tax steer, them tax up your clutter. Don't have everything planned up and charter. Modernized slavery, and that me a talk. Brothers and sisters, don't you get lost? You know, we're living in a world of salvation. We're living in a world of separation. We're living in a world of frustration. Babylon war we malfunction. We're living in a world of salvation. We're living in a world of separation. Too much hunger youths in our nation. Nation, nation. Mama can't give up. When mama have to strong, have to feature. Pick me one daughter, two son. Hard to get food to eat in the slum. Especially when no money none. When government politics, we hear that for done. More get to use for elevator to the slum. Get to use for old house and land. The car and big friend. With Troublesome, my name I own. Listen to my plan. I hope you overstand, my twin. Repatriation. Ow. We're living in a world of salvation. We're living in a world of separation. We're living in a world of frustration. Babylon war we malfunction. We're living in a world of starvation. Living in a world of frustration. Life is hard. We got to overcome, yeah. We got to overcome the obstacles in the battle. The pain and the pain and the pain, and every day we have to battle. We have to overcome the pain and shackle. We have to strong in this world. I'm here to represent every boy and girl. Government give the people them what them earn. What you never learn. I they get to you them turn. And I say, I Troublesome, represent the get to you them say. We're living in a world of salvation. We're living in a world of separation. Too much hunger youths in our nation. Babylon war we malfunction. Life is hard. We got to
I never surrender. I boom propaganda. I'm a defender. I never sleep nor slumber. No way. I surrender. Down in the ghetto, it's a road, and we don't see the youth, them a act so cold. Now, yeah, too much war, now them say, put down the gun. It's all the mankind that make a gun, and now you see them kill all the fun. And see the youth, them a grow down, because of war and rumors of war everywhere. It's the cause of what we do and the things we say in our way every day. And the technology that them come and force and we vampire are drinking blood, and in the road they have no love. Oh yeah. I never surrender. Jump by my side, be my guide, yeah. So watch is over me, spread his blessing over me. Oh, Jah deliver me, protect me from my enemies, yeah. So watch is over me, spread his blessing over me. Oh, Jah deliver me, protect me from my enemies, yeah. I spend all of my life trying to do the things that's right, and still I get a fight. The journey is so hard, we keep up sometime, yeah. No few girl astray, no lost them way. It don't have to be this way, yeah. But still we hustle every day. We reckon I get no pay, but still Jah we pray, yeah. So watch is over me, spread his blessing over me. Oh, Jah deliver me, protect me from my enemies, yeah. Jah watch is over me, spread his blessing over me. Oh, Jah deliver me, protect me from my enemies, yeah. Yes, they fight with all of their might, but the more them fight, the more we rise. When I give up, no, when I give up, even though it's hard, we still I live it up, yeah. When I give up, no, when I give up, even though the battle hard and the goings against the rough, whoa. When I give up, no, when I give up, there must be some judgment time. So watch is over me, spread his blessing over me. Oh, Jah deliver me, protect me from my enemies, yeah. So watch is over me, spread his blessing over me. Oh, Jah deliver me, protect me from my enemies.